Hello, people on YouTube. Um, Today, for 37 more minutes, is July 18th, 2012, which is my 1 month dreadiversary. Yay! I had my dreadlocks for exactly 1 month as of today. Okay. I'm really excited because, like, I think they're coming along well, personally. I mean, like, if you look at other people's like update videos, they might be more progressed than me, but I don't really care because I think mine are coming along pretty well. And this is my first dreadlock update video. I was gonna do one at 1 week, and then 2 weeks, and then 3 weeks, and then a month, but I kind of get a little webcam, so so I think I'm just gonna do month updates up until my 6th month, and then I'm gonna do year updates. Or like half year, I don't know. I'm not that worried. I'm gonna be the first month. The first month is really usually followed by like fast. The methods I used to start my death, I used backcombing because I don't know, I just think I was already made dreads. I read up on it, but everybody seemed to do backcombing, so I was like, okay, I'll do backcombing. So if everybody does backcombing, do what's good. Not really, it just looked like the best method, and so I divided it into like rubber bands and then backcombed it. And then I put rubber bands on the ends too, but then I woke up the next day and all the rubber bands were gone and all the knots were out, so it was just like a bunch of sections in my hair. And yeah, so that didn't really work, but it was still kind of like, going with it, so I just kind of left the rubber bands in there for a couple of days and just kept backcombing it, kept doing that, and I didn't put them on the ends, but I kept them in at the roots for like a week maybe, and then I saw my friend and she told me to take them out because they would get threaded into it because it could project your hair, and I was like, no. So I took them all out, all the rubber bands, and then I was like, well, how are they gonna not go together? And so I was just trying to do like natural, like not washing them, letting them do whatever, but they kept going together. So I decided to like make dreadlocks, like twist and rip. So like you rip it apart in two sections, and then you pull it back together, and then you rip it back apart. I did that with like all of them, and I do that daily now. I feel loose at the ends, which is mostly in the back. So like, yeah, I don't know if you can see. My light is really bright. It's freaking me out. Okay, but that way. So backcombing, actual neglect, twisting, and I wear like a wool hat when I sleep, when I rub it on my head. That just kind of helps, I guess. I'm not using wax, and I'm washing it with like a regular shampoo, but it's all natural and it doesn't have junk in it. Like I told you it was gonna fall. Okay. See you next month.